So this is the most advanced commercial radar in the world for tracking space objects. It's for a few reasons. This radar was designed to track very small pieces of debris. It turns out there are about 250,000 pieces of debris in space that are 2 centimeters in size and larger. They aren't tracked today, and they threaten satellites. In space, everything moves so quickly, approximately 8 kilometers per second, that even if a tiny piece of debris hits your satellite, it can destroy it. One service is it checks for collisions days before they might happen so that satellites can move and avoid the collision. If you've seen the movie Gravity, we're basically making sure that doesn't happen. Another service is we track newly launched satellites. So once the satellites are in space, we pick them up first with this radar and give the satellite operators precise locations for their satellites so they can get in touch with them and move them into operations very quickly.